Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is saute your veggies. I have some olive oil in there. I'm adding the yellow onion. The bell pepper. And the mushrooms. Some garlic. And of course you can change this up if there are certain vegetables you prefer. Maybe you like red bell pepper or yellow bell pepper or no bell pepper. You get the idea. Okay, and then you're just going to add your salt and pepper next. I'm going to cook that up for a few minutes, medium-high heat, I believe, depending on your stove. And then you're just going to add the remaining ingredients. So I have a frozen hash brown potato O'Brien that I'm adding here. Again, totally up to you. And some cut up veggie sausage. I believe that's field roast Italian sausage. And then either firm or extra firm tofu. So this has been rinsed and drained, and now I'm just crumbling it into the mixture. I like mine pretty fine, but you might like your tofu chunkier. You just want to mix that all up. Adding some additional spices, turmeric for a little yellow tint. Just saute that till it's all cooked and heated up to your liking. You can add a little bit of cheddar cheese on top if you want. There you go. Enjoy!